Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to manage storage in Claude AI. So to start, open Claude and sign into your Claude account. Next, go to the left side and go to Projects. Once you click Projects, next is to select a project to review the files stored in it. So click the project. Next, open the File section to see the documents you've uploaded. So go to the bottom right corner and you should see all the files uploaded. So you can delete the files you no longer need by clicking the X or delete button or option beside the file. So you can click this X button right here to delete it, or you can check this box right here and click delete icon, and that item will be deleted. So repeat this for other projects to free up space and keep your Claude workspace organized. Now to delete multiple files, you can check this box to select them and click delete icon, and those files will be deleted. So Claude storage behavior and limits can change, so it's best to demonstrate the options currently visible in your account.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Now, if you want to add new files, just click this plus icon right here. Then you can upload from your device, GitHub, Figma, or Drive. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.